Hello, I'm Frontoni, the Scargos. Today I want to talk with you about this box. More than this box, I want to talk about its content. And what is inside here, there is the Etee controllers by TG0. So this is some controller similar to the Valve Knuckles that this startup called TG0 has just put on Kickstarter to try to create some innovative controllers for virtual reality where you have no buttons and the ability to use all your fingers. In a very natural way, controllers are attached to your fingers like a knuckle, and you can use in your application as you want. So there will be an SDK for developers to do what they want, and also there will be some kind of integration. So, for instance, the startup has showed this product together with Half-Life Alyx to have all the fingers in Alyx, even without the value knuckles that are sold out everywhere. So there's been a debate on social media if this kind of controllers have a good design or web design. Honestly, I have no idea because I've not tried them yet, but today I'm going to unbox it so we can discover them together, how they are, and then in the next days I will try it and I will write you my review about them. So follow me.
So let's see this box with this first person view. And here you have the main box that we open. And apart from this, these things with the bubbles that we all love to pop, here inside there is the actual box of the Etee controllers. So let's remove the protection from here. So let's use a blade, and this way is much better. Okay, so let me disrupt everything. And here you are. So this is the box of DT. It's very, very elegant. I think TG0 has made a great job with it. So you can admire, it's black, a big logo here. And so let's open it. Yeah. So here you are the guide that teaches you how to use the Etee controllers. And okay. So this is the TG0 continuation packet. I have no idea what it is. I guess okay, sorry if I'm if I interrupted the unboxing. I can smell some like a scent of flowers. It's very weird. It's like there is perfume inside this box. It's a new experience. I never had olfactory experiences while unboxing something. I don't know if it is a feature. If it is a feature, it's very smart, but okay. And so here it is, a little pamphlet talking about TG0. Honestly, I don't care, but so here you are the controllers. Let's see if there is something below here. Yes, so it's something made on two. Okay, so here you have the first part, and I guess here you have the controllers. So this look like a handle of an Italian mocha, those coffee machines that we have here. So I guess you have to take the controllers like this or something like that. I have still to check the guide. So it seems nice. It's in the video it seemed a bit bigger and also heavier. Actually, it's very, very little. Here you have the port. It looks like an USB micro port. It's incredibly light, and the material is it's rubber, so it's not super soft, but it's okay. So there is right and left letters engraved on the controllers. So here you are. Let me check how should I wear it in this pamphlet. In the meanwhile, I continue smelling this wonderful smell of flowers. So yeah, it's more like this. So one hand and two hands. Bam bam bam. Ta, 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 ta. So there are the controllers. Okay. So the pamphlet, the smell of woman, and here there is a USB stick, I guess, to connect them with the PC via Bluetooth or some kind of Wi-Fi connection. I have still to study it. And then here we have the cables. So this looks like a charging cable, and I guess there are two, one for each controller, maybe for the charging, for updating the firmware and all the rest. So end of unboxing. So I'm very curious to try the Etee by TG0, because I've read lots of interesting debate on the web about how this form factor adapts well to VR. Sometimes someone says that they're terrible because there are no buttons, others say that they're very comfortable. The design is not bad. They look like a bit like the Knuckles. So not bad at all. It's over for this unboxing. I hope you like this video, and if it is the case, please subscribe to my channel, donate on Patreon, and keep watching what I create here on my blog for more AR and VR news. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day.